Hello everyone. So in the given question we have to find out first of all, using the free electron model, we have to find out the lambda value calculated for retinol, that is vitamin E, retinol, right? And we have been given in this question first of all delta E value, which is equal to n square of HOMO, n square of minus of n square of LUMO, right? And also H square divided by 8ml square, 8m. So here mass of electron will be there and L square, right? So this is the formula. By using this delta E value we have to calculate the lambda value, and as we know that